Benda has finally made it official. The Dark Flag 950 V4 has just launched in China. No more prototypes, no more spy shots. This beast is now up for grabs starting September 15th, 2025, complete with an official price tag. So, if before we were just guessing, now it's actually rolling onto the market. Under the tank, you get Benda's own 948cc V4 engine, their second one after the Dark Flag 500. It pushes out around 108 horsepower and 85 Nm of torque, paired with a 6-speed transmission and a belt final drive. That combo means you're not just getting power, but also the smooth, laid-back character you'd expect from a cruiser. Styling-wise, it's every bit the muscular bobber, low, tough, and wide, with a fat rear tire giving it that planted stance. Curb weight comes in at 242 kilograms, which is pretty manageable for a big cruiser, and with a 700mm seat height, it stays accessible for a wide range of riders. The feature list, surprisingly stacked. You're looking at dual front disc brakes and a rear single disc with Brembo calipers, adjustable electronic suspension, ABS, traction control, cruise control, a TFT display with smartphone connectivity, and even a neat trick, cylinder deactivation. Basically, the rear two cylinders shut down at idle to save fuel and keep your legs from roasting in traffic. Pretty clever. And here's something you might not expect. The name Dark Flag isn't just some edgy branding. Benda took inspiration from China's Qin dynasty, where a black banner symbolized unity during the empire's expansion. For Benda, the Dark Flag is meant to represent innovation, strength, and a pioneering spirit. So yeah, it's not just mean looking, it's got some history baked in. In China, the Dark Flag 950 V4 starts at 43,800 yuan, which works out to about $6,100 US. That's shockingly affordable for a V4 cruiser with this level of kit, but if it makes its way to Europe or the US, don't be surprised if the price climbs a lot higher. What's clear is that Benda is dead serious about making waves in the big bike segment. The Dark Flag 950 V4 could be a turning point for them. Will it carve out a real spot in the premium cruiser world, or remain an exotic alternative for riders willing to take a chance on a non-mainstream brand? So what do you think? At this price, with all these features, does the Dark Flag 950 V4 have what it takes to challenge the cruiser heavyweights, or does it still have a long road ahead to prove itself? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and I'll catch you in the next video.